Kids picked up another beater today. Gotta get it restored. Make it brand new for some lucky children. Here it is, y'all. Got that motor going the other night. Picked this bike up, no body. A little junked out, you know, but it works. But we got all these parts here. And we got these brand new ones right here for it. What do y'all say? Let's build a four-wheeler.
Well, let's build it.
Let's build it. First thing we got here is a new gas cap. Let's check this out. Yeah, look at that. Bro,
That piece of shit.
do the honors. Yeah, there we go. Look at what we had going on here. We didn't have this, somebody else. Thing looked like it got chewed up by rats. And somebody put their old tire filler. Alright, anyways, next. We got a brand new wiring harness. It's already got the new carb, new fuel lines, and new filter on it. We got us a new battery. Yeah, we got us a new battery. Look at that thing, zip battery. We got some heavy duty chain. Should be some 428. Nope. Some 428. All right, there it is. Some brand new 428 and some master links. Last but not least, we have a new exhaust pipe. All right, and to finish out that all black scheme, we got the brand new black and chrome exhaust pipe. All right, now stay tuned, guys. It's about to be pieced together. All right, y'all, here we are. Y'all see it. 110cc ATV. Rob, show them this thing.
110cc automatic. She's ready to go. Crank her up. Ooh. She's cold.
She's cold. She just got wired up and hooked up. This is the second start.
Not bad.
That's it. Told y'all. Weld and wheelies. Big, small, dirty, clean. Weld and wheelies. Gonna make her scream. Yeah. She ready.
That's it, boys. Hell yeah.
Find the post on the page for purchase.
Good.
Show that face.